What's going on? Welcome back to D-Tune Performance, and today we're going to continue the build. And I know I missed a couple days, but with the holidays it's kind of hard, but now we're back, January. And first and foremost, last time you guys saw this car had no engine, and all of a sudden now we have an engine. Well, when we were doing the engine video, we ran into a problem between the transmission and the engine. I had no dowel pins, so it took me a couple days to get dowel pins, so that I'm going to put that part in here.
Really? I have a long ride with it. But what? I don't know. Like that. So wait. Maybe put this angle first, and then shove it in. And start pushing that, yeah. Give me a mallet. It's right there. You got it?
The next day.
So as you can see, we have a rear diff, and our trailing arms are converted over to the S1 do-it-yourself kit, which has been welded and have been done for a couple months. But while doing this build, I've decided to stick with a front wheel drive for now. That is my best option if I want to get the car out sooner than I wanted, because this have taken longer than I was expecting. So the car is ready to go. I have transmissions, drive shafts, axles, diffs, everything to go all-wheel drive, even the mounts. But I've decided to stick front-wheel drive for now, and then later on in the future convert it over once I've gotten enough seat time in the front-wheel drive, I guess. I don't know, I don't really know the plan, but this car in the future will be going all-wheel drive. Well, being down here is not too much fun, but it's always a fucking pain in the ass. I think this is the bolt that goes here. There it goes. Add a hammer. So this is somewhat of a finished product. I was gonna use the 1320 plate, but they stopped making them for the EKs, or something happened, because I didn't see the EK arm support bracket where you could weld the metal eyelets that they sold. But whatever, we're on to bigger things now. But I am really happy about this. The ride is probably gonna be sucked. And by the way, these are the blocks, spherical, and that's about it. I do have to install the new braided brake lines with the staging brake. All that is going to be here up soon, and these are going to be just your typical stock. I believe I have Integra calipers, but it's basically anything with a rear disc. All the calipers were mostly the same. They had very few changes, but other than that, as soon as the car comes back out on the street and we go back on track mode, these coilovers will actually be gone. I would like to purchase the blocks drag. Heard really good reviews and I've seen really good cars at the track doing some pretty good times. And these, no matter how stiff you put them, the car in the back just squats. Just, oh, it's disgusting. Just disgusting. It rubs the tires everywhere, but whatever. We're gonna go ahead and continue the other side. Overall, these arms do go on pretty easy. Like if you get some Chinese LCAs, some of them can be a pain in the ass. I've done a couple installs for my cars. That is something also to keep in mind. I don't think this is the bolt that goes here, but we're just gonna use it for now. Oh, it barely goes on there. Now, more lifting heavy stuff. This bad boy, probably looks like it goes through. Yep, that's about right. Almost died on that. What's the torque spec on a cross-threaded bolt? None. It's already tight. Oh man, shout out to the guys who showed me that. You guys are some real ones. Uh-oh, got a problem. Houston? I'm missing bolts. I need to find a nut for that if I decide to use that bolt. Which might be a little sketchy, but where's the fun in a little Honda Civic not being sketchy? So this is what it looks like after it's been installed. And obviously I'm missing the big one. Right now I got the Chinatown. But once we get the nice Hub City Performance, you know, before I go bankrupt from all these car parts, and basically have the same matching like billet style, and you know the car will be all-wheel drive and stuff, and yeah, all that money. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like. And I mean, if you are not smart enough, they'll even see, this is left-hand side. This is like idiot. Nah, well, I'm not gonna say idiot proof because I know there's somebody that'll find a way to fuck this shit up. But with that being said, that's about it. Waiting on some fuel lines and fittings and stuff to finish the fuel system, and I'm going to make a video on that because since this is going to be all-wheel drive, I've already converted over to the fuel cell, which is located inside the right here where the spare tire used to be back in 1996. But we're gonna do that. For now, this is about all the parts that I can install. So I'll catch you in the next video.